Good evening, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, I'll be talking about premature death, how you can prevent it. Okay, by the grace of God, if you're the type that have this issue of premature death in your family, after watching this video, you have to say bye-bye to that. Okay, if you have been inflicted with a kind of sickness that the enemy think you're going to die with it at a very tender age, say no to that premature death. Okay, so watch the video to the end so that you see the solution to premature death by the grace of God. If you've been inflicted with a disease, you've been to the hospital and the doctor said that they don't have any solution to it, and you have come back home to think of when God will say this is your final day on earth, and maybe the doctors have even given you dates. Some people, doctors will give them dates. You will die before 3 months or in 3 months time or all that. Watch this video. Premature death is not for you after watching this video. Then if you have this case of always seeing dead people in the dream, and you've been to so many prayer houses, they told you that you have the enemies or your forefathers want to take you at a very tender age, that is not for you. It's not your portion. Okay, God's wish for his children is for us to see our children, and as long as you're under this channel, and you're watching this video today, you will not die young. That is a promise from God, not from me. Okay, I am only relaying this message to you. I've come with a solution to it. Somebody called me the other day that they gave the child a date to die. I said, do you believe in such prophecy? Do you believe in what the enemy has said? She said no. I said, your son will not die. And by the grace of God, that child is living till now. Okay, so it is not your portion to die prematurely. Some people will tell me that in their family, once you get to 40 years, you will die. I'm 35, maybe in the next 5 years I will die. That is not your portion. You will live to see your children, your 5th generation. Okay, if only you believe and trust God. No demon, I repeat, has power over your life. It's only God that gives and it's only God that takes. But I want to tell you that God equally gives us wisdom to overcome such devilish promises or devilish wishes for you as a child of God, if only you will believe. Okay, some people have will come and tell me they have prayed, they have fasted. At the end of the day, they still lost their husband because that is the age they usually die in their family. And you think that you will die at that age? Never. You can never die unless God wants you to do so, and God must give you a reason why he wants to take you now. Some people will say that this pastor saw his death or this minister saw his death. Yes, because he has fulfilled his promises on earth. But I don't wish that you fulfill your promise on earth at a very tender age. That is not your portion. Okay, there are people that are still ministering, that are still doing the works of the Lord. They are still doing other things, and they are over 80, they are over 90. You must be among those people. You must not be among those that will come and message for 10 days or 10 years and die. That is not your portion. We shall live to see our children. So after watching this video, have a rethink of your life. No evil affliction will come close to you. Okay, as long as your hands are clean. Okay, you cannot be praying for long life and when you have killed so many people. No. For you to pray for long life, make sure your hands are clean. But that does not mean when the devil wants to kill you, you don't pray for that. You have to return that death to the sender. I did not say you should go and kill first or go and hurt the person first. No. Let the person start the war, then you return it to the person. If that war is a good war, let him fight it. If it's a bad one, let you fight it. Okay? So I always encourage you to be prayerful, to always do back to sender. Don't start the war. Let the enemy start first. Then I will tell you how to back it up and send it back to the sender. Okay, back to sender is not a bad prayer. Okay, so have you been afflicted of any kind of disease, any kind of sickness, or are you under any kind of premature death, any kind of cause that you think you will not live to see your children, that you think that you die at a particular age. After watching this video, you have to have a rethink of your life. You will live to fulfill your destiny on earth. Okay, are you all some families will tell me that once their child gets to a certain age, if that child did not die, the child will not die again, and you believe your own child will die at the age of 10. God forbid. I heard a girl, she came to me that the family she wants to marry, that she heard that when you have a male child, when the male child gets to 10 and he did not die, he will not die again, that what can she do to prevent such death? That is a foundational cause. That's a premature death that has been existing in that family. Okay, so it's only the wise ones that their son lives, but that is what they will not tell you. The foolish ones will wait there till that 10 years, they will start looking for solution. But as a wise woman she is, she wants to consider that marriage, but under one condition: if she will have a prevention, if she have anything to prevent that premature death. If she didn't find a solution, she will not enter that marriage. Okay, I told her that if you know that you can be prayerful, you can pray from now till you have your son, and from now till after 10 years, go ahead and marry that man. But if you know that you pray today and not pray and continue to pray, please don't marry from such family, because you may not be able to endure, you may not be able to take what will come out of it. And she listened to me. Okay, so some of you will know that there's issues in that family. They have a curse hovering over them, and you just want to go and marry, you want to be a messiah in that family. Before you become a messiah, make sure you are spiritually and physically strong, because the demons in that family will come to you and will come after you physically and spiritually. Okay, so for you to enter such family with such death sentence, please, my brothers and my sisters, be physically and spiritually strong. That is my own preaching today. Okay, so I want to show you the solution you can use to defeat that premature death. If the enemy is fond of sending accident to you, fond of sending confusion to your children to die, if you are fond of losing your children at tender age, if you have been afflicted with a disease that you will die at a certain age, fear no more, for the solution is here. Naming this channel Solution Empire is not by mistake. I don't even know how the name came about. It just came in a dream. That was why I gave this channel Solution Empire. And by the grace of God, if you come here with any problem, you must get the result to it. Okay, so this is the solution to it. Yes, this is I shall not die. This is a mixture. It is mixed with about 17 roots. Okay, some were grinded, some were pounded, some were boiled to get this mixture. Okay, so using this mixture to bath in the night or in the morning, but you can still, if you can afford to use it twice in a day, you are good to go. Okay, are you that man or that woman that is always scared of going to your village because of arrows of death? Fear no more. Okay, just use this mixture whenever you want to travel or whenever you feel somehow. Okay, just use it to bath. You can afford to use it once in a week or twice in a week. That is perfect. The enemy will not have power over you. The enemy cannot send that arrows of death again to you. Okay, the arrows they have sent to you will not work for them. You will live to see your children. Okay, if you want to place your orders, my number is on the comment section, on the description box. You can chat me up to place your order. I've come to the end of today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share my video, drop your comments under the comment section. I will always be there to attend to you. Thank you and good night.